Hello! If you are a fan of Builderall for several years, maybe you remember the $1 million challenge. It was made by him, is Liam James Kay. So if you just came to Builderall, you don't know this person because he's not known now in Builderall. He kind of left. But at one point, when I first joined in 2018, he was the star of Builderall, the star affiliate. He made this $1 million challenge. It was a funnel that it was a loop funnel, creating a loop, which means that the funnel told you that you could make money with affiliate marketing very easily just by having this funnel working for you. And to host this funnel, you needed a tool, and the tool of choice was Builderall. And because Builderall was sold as an affiliate product, you could earn money from this affiliate program of Builderall. And you will promote your funnel on your Builderall account, and people will see this and will want to join to do it themselves, and then you will earn commission on their Builderall account and on 2 levels. So that was the idea of this $1 million challenge, just to make people open Builderall account in order to host this funnel and to promote it themselves. That's it. It was a very simple funnel, a very simple one, which means there was nothing else than just having a Builderall account and hosting this funnel. There was no email marketing, no upsells or other product, just promote and sell Builderall accounts. So from 2018 to 2019, at the half of them, so for 1 year, it has been very successful. But the problem was that people who join, of course, they join for the idea of earning money, and then they didn't promote or not promote enough because you need a lot of traffic in order to convert. And so they joined, they tried, and they gave up. Like 99% of people will give up for everything. So we know that. But in this case, the problem was that then they would cancel their Builderall account and ask for refunds. It created a lot of problems for Builderall because it was the supporting platform. So in March, April of 2019, the CEO of Builderall, who has been promoting this funnel, and he even included this funnel into Builderall because it was so successful. But suddenly, it stopped. It was forbidden to promote Builderall as a money-making opportunity, such as the $1 million challenge. And it was the start of a very bad year, I think, because it changed the rules of the game. It was not possible to do that. Then the affiliate program was free for all. And then they changed the affiliate structure all within a few months of each other. And Liam James Kay, who was the most successful affiliate in Builderall, an example for many, he went to webinars with the CEO of Builderall. Suddenly, he became a kind of bad guy, and he left. And he made a video about it, and then his account has been downgraded. So really, I think he's not happy about what happened. But we understand it was for the good of the company, because at some point they will have some problems with the FTC in America or the Business Bureau, things like this. Because these kind of things create problems. A lot of people, stupid people, huh? Let's say stupid people, will complain about it. But the stupid people, they are like 90% of people who join those kind of loop funnel. This kind of loop funnel, they have been done with many supporting platforms. Builderall, of course, but ClickFunnels and others. Every software that can host funnels and share them and have an affiliate program, you can be sure that someone will come up with a loop funnel like this. And then the platform, eventually, they ban it, or by their rules, they say you should not promote the platform as a money-making opportunity, etc., in order to avoid problems. But so now, Liam James Kay, you won't see him promoting Builderall, or maybe you don't know him, but he was very famous at some point. So it was only like 3 years ago, or 2 years ago. But now the new top affiliate of Builderall is another James. It's James Neville Taylor. It's him. And he came up with a loop funnel, but different, more advanced, of course. And the cleverness in this funnel is that it is not based only on Builderall commission. In fact, at first, he did it for free. Builderall was for free if you want it. So you didn't have to pay Builderall. The commission, you will not earn commission from Builderall. But Builderall stopped their free for life free plan, which they introduced only not a long time ago, huh? But they stopped this. So this funnel now needs a paid account, Builderall account. So it becomes a loop funnel for Builderall, but at the base was to promote James' product. He sells traffic, and this funnel needs traffic. So it's better because this funnel to work, like the $1 million challenge funnel, they need a lot of traffic. And most people, they don't know how to bring traffic to anything. So they buy into the funnel and then they realize that they will go nowhere because they're not able to bring in traffic. But James sells traffic. It's like advertisement right within the funnel. So when you go to the member area, you can buy traffic. So it's easy for people. If they want, they can pay and have traffic to this funnel, and this funnel will work on maybe 1% or 5% of the traffic. It will convert some people who will buy Builderall and will buy more traffic and other products. So you can earn commission on more than just Builderall. So that's different because it's more evolved. Also, this funnel, you get the email marketing. So it's not just the pages, you also get email marketing. So people who join in this funnel, you will have their email. They will receive email to prompt them to join the funnel. So it's not just like one time. You can work on them automatically. Everything is done for you. The setup of Rapid Profit Machine is much easier than the setup of $1 million homepage, which involved more steps at the time to host your funnel. But so at the time, even people joined the funnel, they were unable to have the funnel working for them. In this one, Rapid Profit Machine, it's they will be able to have it hosted. They will be able to bring in traffic to it. But even then, 90% of people who join, they won't make any money because they will give up too soon, or they will not want to put enough time. They don't realize, and listen, of course, the marketing, the videos of the funnel, they don't say that, oh, it will be a lot of work. Even if you say it will be a lot of work, it's nothing in comparison to how long it will take, in fact. It's just me as an experienced affiliate marketer or internet, computer, everything. I'm experienced. I know the value of this kind of things because a lot of things are created for you. A lot of money making opportunities are already created and installed in this setup. When you install it, you have the video to promote it, the graphics, the pages, the email done, the source of money, so the Builderall subscription, the traffic, and you know, it's a lot of things that if you don't have this, you will have to create yourself. So you will spend a lot of time, months or years, to have this, and then you will still need to get traffic to it. You understand? So you can recognize the interest why is good, but you know that 90% of people or more will not make any money out of it, and a few will make money, and their success will be promoted in order to promote the funnel. So it's a loop funnel, just like the $1 million challenge at the time, only 2-3 years ago. Nothing has changed. Because you know what I told you about what happened to the $1 million challenge when the CEO of the company suddenly decided that it was no, it's not good, you should not do that, and they changed it. They changed everything in the affiliate program. They made a MLM type. It was really a wasted years, about 6 months to nearly a year to recover from this disaster. And now it got back to normal. If you want to be an affiliate of Builderall, you need to have a paid account. And if you in 2019, it was this point that has changed. Before, you needed to be to be an affiliate, you needed to have a Builderall account. And then they say, no, it's not good for FTC, so now it's free for all to be an affiliate. Then after they change it, no, you need to pay to be an affiliate, but you pay and you don't have a Builderall account, so it's separate. And in this case, it's good. And then they say, no, now it's free for all, or I don't know, they change a lot. And now finally, at this time of making this video, you need to have a Builderall account in order to be an affiliate. That's the way it is at the moment. Maybe it will change again, but so it's for now. If you want to be an affiliate of Builderall, you need to have a Builderall account. If you want to import this RPM funnel, you need to have a Builderall account because there is no free account anymore. So you need to have a paid Builderall account in order to host this funnel, which will sell other Builderall accounts and other kind of products. So it's the $1 Million Challenge all over again, now with even more features, more powerful, easier to install and everything. And if you see the home page of this funnel, is a lot simpler. In the $1 Million Challenge, there was a video, but now it starts with the email capture form because the page after this one has a video to explain. And the first goal is to get the email address of the person because they will receive emails in order to send them again to the page number 2 with the video and everything. But the first thing to do is to get their email address. So when you send them to the home page, all they see is your automated money machine is ready for activation. Okay, what is, I don't know, I didn't know I have the automated money machine, but okay, ready for activation. Final step, confirm your email below. Oh, my email? Oh yes, of course I confirm. Unlock instant access. And then you go to the page 2 where there is a video to explain what is your automated money machine, what you need to do in order to install it and how it works, everything. So that's the end of this video. It was just for fun to compare the $1 Million Challenge of Liam James Kay and the Rapid Profit Machine from James Neville Taylor. And one funny fact about it, except the fact that they both have James in their name, like me, but the funny fact is that they both come from the UK. They are not American. They are English, British people. That's funny, because Builderall is in Florida, in America, and not in the UK. But those loop funnels, the successful ones, they come from British people. That's funny, I think. Bye bye.